What is the outer layer of kidney? Options: medulla, cortex, nephron, pyramid. Answer is option B, cortex. What is the middle layer of kidney? Options are nephron, cortex, renal medulla, renal pelvis. Answer is option C, renal medulla. Deficiency of which vitamin can lead to beriberi? Options are vitamin K, vitamin B12, vitamin B1, vitamin B6. Answer is option B, vitamin B1. What causes direct damage to cells? Cytotoxins, neurotoxins, endotoxin, leukocidins. Answer is option A, cytotoxins. What are the spaces between neurons? Options are synapses, dendrites, interneuron, ganglion. Answer is option A, synapses. With what system is the alimentary canal associated with? Options are spinal cord, digestive system, urinary tract, birth canal. Answer is option B, digestive system. Which of these are good source of protein? Nuts, cooked oatmeals, honey, raisins. Answer is option A, nuts. Isolation of a child with measles belongs to what level of prevention? Options are primary, secondary, intermediate, tertiary. Answer is option A, primary. Which immunization produces permanent scar? Options are DPT, BCG, measles vaccination, hepatitis B. Answer is option B, BCG. Which cardiac marker raised first in myocardial infarction? Options are CKMB, SGOT, myoglobin, troponin. Answer is option C, myoglobin. Most important complication of peritoneal dialysis. Options are DVT, diarrhea, peritonitis, hypertension. Answer is option C, peritonitis.